Hey everyone, welcome to the shop. Today this video is going to be a introduction, preview, and beginning. I recently purchased a 3D printer. I've been following the company for about a year now, and they've had really good success before that, and so I've been watching the cycles and saving up some money, and I was able to buy a kit. So this is, as you can see, there's 47 little bags, and then the motors. This is the newest version. It actually has all the electronics in a box. Before there was just a rat's nest of wires, um, and um, and here are the first y-axis pieces already assembled. It's not very exciting, just threading nuts and fender washers on the rods, but this is the first step. So this is what it's all gonna be like eventually, maybe. No. Where is that? Yeah, here is it. This is the G-Check Prusa i3A Pro 3D printer, and like I said, it's a kit. There's some of the parts over there. There's some more parts over there. So the stepper motors and the extruder nozzles right here. So yeah, this will be over the next several days and nights. I'll be assembling this, and we'll be joining the realm of 3D printing. Hopefully it'll be interesting to learn how to make some parts and make my own stuff and create and be creative. So, but yeah, this will be interesting. I've already got, yeah, it came with a little bit of filament. I bought a roll because it only came with 3 meters, but everybody online has had really good reviews. The printer, like I said, was only about $300 as a kit. So, and I have to assemble it and wire it, and which is not a big deal because it's a matter of just plugging in some plugs now. Before it was it involved a little bit more. So this is even a step up, but I know this would probably scare some people because we're just taking each of the motors and plugging them in different ports. So, and then this is the control box, which actually I've actually wired it already, and this is a direct from China part that just bought through a online vendor, and SD card slot over here. It's got a USB port in the back to plug it into a computer, and then as you can see, this is all the connections, and x-axis motors, y-axis motors, and whatnot. So the extruders wired up over here, I'm assuming. So yeah, so this will be taking some videos as we make it through the process. There are just a slew of little nuts and bolts and screws, wires, roller bearings, springs, more wires. So it'll be really fun. This is the main frame, and this is one of the beds that go in there. And then the hot plate, which is it came with a USB cord. Yay! This is the hot plate. So, and some more of the assemble. This is just brushed aluminum. Very nice finish, and it's actually pretty heavy. I for aluminum, this is it just feels very heavy for this much aluminum. I would expect it to be lighter. So good job there. All right, so we're gonna put some more parts together, and then we'll shoot another video. Okay, guys. So here we are again. And this is the front and Y base of the printer. Do you believe? Yeah. And got that assembled, and already got the parts for the next step. I really like how they've got this, and it tells you, you know, how many of each, and the bags are numbered. And then if the picture doesn't show up, like in this, it didn't print off our printer here at home. They've got a really nice guide with all the pictures of all the pieces that you can reference. So, so far so good. As you can see, everything's sorted out. I did that yesterday, actually. And then today's the first day working. So, pretty good start, I guess. And we'll work on it tomorrow, I guess, for an hour or so. And then hopefully over spring break, yeah, we'll have this thing together and we'll start tweaking it and printing. Alright.